first time that I really fucked something up on the bike. It's good that I'm not too far out of the city, but I'm happy that I have my chain tool, or the multi-tool actually. Thank you, Topeak. And now I guess I have to remove the chain because it seems like the derailleur has been fucked up quite badly. Alright, so this is how the chain remover or chain fixing tool on the Topeak Multitool works. You have these tire levers on each side, 2 of them. And in this one there's a small, imbus, and you can use it to unscrew the chain tool. Then you just put the chain in here, just like that. Just line up the bolt with the tool, with the chain. Then you squeeze out the bolt in the chain. If I have to buy a new chain afterwards, this is my smallest problem. Alright, chain is loose. Alright guys, if you like my little maintenance video today, then stick around and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.